Let's learn character yuan. This is the evolution of yuan. The original meaning was the head of a man, from which derives the meaning of beginning and first. Yuan means first. Yuandan, New Year's Day. Yuan means chief, basic. Yuan, the monetary unit of China. The stroke order of yuan. Waiter, there's a dead fly in my soup. What do you expect for $1? A live one? Dollar, 美元. Let's learn character B, the evolution of B. In ancient writing system, the character B looks like two men standing together. Its primary meaning is to stand side by side, from which have derived the meanings to compare and to compete. B means compare, compete, compare to, gesture. B means than. 我比你强, I'm better than you. The stroke order of B. What is worse than finding a worm in your apple, finding half a worm in your apple? Than, 比